Hey, what's up guys, it's time for another tutorial today, and today we're going to animate and reveal titles. We're going to use shapes and masks and all that to reveal the titles in cool ways. So let's stop talking and jump into the tutorial. Now we're going to use shapes to reveal text here. We can start by doing two lines, like so. Let's see here. Like so, there's the first line. Okay, we just duplicate that line and drag it down. So we have a line, the bottom two, like so. So those lines are just going to be the revealing positions. And now we're going to do another shape here. This is the shape where we going to reveal the text from. So everywhere that this block is the text going to be shown. So we can rename this to block. We can hide that block. And we can drag this block to above the motion. And in this way, so can we use this as an alpha matte. So everywhere that the block is motion going to be seen. So we can do like so. We mark the motion and press P. And we set the end position there. And we want it to start from up here. And we can mark the keyframes and press F9. So now that we have this motion here. Like so. And now can we use another way. But of course, now can we only use this block for motion. But there's another way we can use the block. We can also use it with a effect here. We can use set mate. So if we drag the set mate on graphic, then we can set this to block 2. So now does this also use the block? We can do the same here. We set press P and add a keyframe. And set a start position there. We do the same. We mark them and press F9 to ease them. So now that we have this animation by these two ways of revealing text. Now we're going to use masks to reveal text here. We can begin to draw a line. So, drag a small line like so. That's fine. And now I'm going to animate this line. So we select the shape. We can rename this to line like so. And we can press P for position. And we're going to set the start position there. So we set a keyframe. And then we're going to end it over here. So we drag the line to the other side. Like so. Over there. So now that we have this motion that it comes from this side to this side. And now we're going to animate or reveal the text here. So we're going to do a mask and select the rectangle tool. And you can see that when you're going to draw a mask, as you can see this white square beside a cross. And you draw out a mask, and you can draw the mask in the middle of this line, like so. Perfect there. And then now we can set this as a end position. So we open up the mask and set a keyframe here on the mask path, and we go back over here. Now we're going to drag this mask. If you then hold down the mouse and drag this to the side, so can you move around the mask. And if you hold on the shift key, so do you drag the mask perfectly to the side, like so. So now we can mark those keyframes and press F9, so we ease them. So now that we have this animation where you reveal the text like so. Perfect. And now we're going to reveal the graphic text. So we are going to draw a mask here too. So we select the graphic and select the rectangle tool. And we drag out the mask and we drag it out like so to around the middle of the line. So now that we have this mask here now. And now we're going to animate this text. If we then press P here for the position, so does this not work as you move around both the mask and the text here? So we undo that. Here we have to do like so, that we open up text and we do add an animation for position. In this way, so can you move around the text without the mask is affected. So we do like so, and we're going to add, let's see here, we're going to add this as a end position. So we set end position there and a keyframe, and then we're going to drag this out like so. We can also mark those two keyframes and press F9 to ease them. So now that we have this animation where you reveal the text in those two ways, maybe we have this, we can move this to the side so it comes a little bit slower in, or later in, like so. Perfect. So in this way, so can you unveil text by mask. Now we're going to use shapes and animate properties to reveal text. So we begin to create a box here, like so. And then can we move this box between those letters, or those words. And we can name that to box, like so. So we have this box between here. And now we're going to set this to alpha inverted matte. And can you not see this, so can you just right click and go to columns. See that this mode is selected. So here you can see, now can you see through this box here. So this is going to be a stamp, can you say. And we're going to animate this box first. So we set, we press S here to set the scale, and we set out position. And we're going to unselect this so we can set separate properties, like so. So now that we have this animation, like so, we can mark the keyframes and press F9 so we get ease. And then we go to here, and then we're going to animate this motion text here. So we set position, we set an end frame there so we can drag this forward like so, and then we can drag this up like so. We do the same here. We mark them and press F9 to ease. Now that we have this animation here, quite easy. Maybe we can, maybe we would like to have this a little bit up so it's more in center, like so. That's fine. So now that we have that animation, and now can we go down to the graphic. Here we're going to use animate properties. We've used this before, but we're going to take this to another level here. And we can take the scale. We set a scale here, and we can, first can we set the range. We go here and we set the start range there. No, we should have this. We just start the animation from here, I think. So set the animation there. We can have the end over here. So now can we set the scale properties? We can set those to 0. We type in 0 like so. So now that we have this animation, we can hide those. Like so. So now that we have this animation here, but we can take it even further. We can do like so. We add another property here, so we get a position. We can do like so, that we move this down like so. So now that we have this animation like so, and that looks quite cool. We can do the same here. We mark those and press F9 to ease them. So like so. But we can even do like this, that we add another animation. We can do like so. We go down here to advanced, and we can also set random order. So press there, so you have that to on. So now do they come in a different order. Like so. So this is another way you can reveal text. And this is some of the ways you can animate your titles. I hope you have learned something here today. And if you use it in your projects in the future, would it be fun to see? So leave a comment below so everybody can see it. And if you have any other questions, just leave a comment below and I try to see if I can answer it. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. But for now guys, so it's time to say, or not.